Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you how you can get approved for the Torrid credit card. Now, a lot of people know about the shopping cart trick, so this is definitely a credit card with the shopping cart trick. So I definitely want to show you guys how to get it. And when you get this credit card, you should get this credit card without a hard inquiry. So they should look at your credit. And if you have bad credit, I see people with the shopping cart trick get approved as low as 500. So if you have a 500 credit score or a credit score that's a little higher than 500, you still can get approved for it. So I definitely want to show you how to get this credit card. If you need to just get credit cards to build your credit, you don't really want to just use the credit card, you just wanted to report to the credit bureaus, then this is still a good credit card for you. Now, don't forget I just had my baby a few days ago, so let me kind of hurry and rush through this a little bit and show you how it works. If you guys need more help with the shopping cart trick, because there's certain things you have to do, then definitely check out my other videos. I'll make sure I pop those up on the screen so that you guys can check it out. Now, I already tried the shopping cart trick with this one, so I'm able to get the pop-up on my computer. Now, when I got the pop-up, it was very simple. I didn't have many problems at all, so I definitely want you guys to try this. I suggest you guys try it on a computer. I'm on my laptop right now, but you can try it on a computer, like a desktop. You could possibly try on your cell phone, but I did try in incognito mode. So let's go ahead and just get started. Now, this is the pop-up that I got. Congratulations, you're pre-approved. You're going to get the 40% off. Also, on today's purchase, if you guys want to actually buy something from them, you guys are going to get that 40% off. So let's go ahead and show you the steps that I took to actually get that pop up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add between $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So I'm going to go to dresses. And I think I just clicked on black. It doesn't matter what you click on. I just like to find something where I can get like 3 of them. And it's going to add up to that between $200 and $250. The point that we got this pop up right here is a good thing. That means that your computer is going to give you that pop-up saying you're pre-approved. After I show you how I got this trick to work, I'm going to show you the few things that you have to do before to even get this trick to work. I'm going to show you those things, but let me show you the steps to actually get that pop-up. So let's go ahead and X this out and let's find something. Like this one right here is perfect because it's $75. It's going to put us exactly where we need to be between that $200 and $250 mark. So let's add 3 of these to our cart. It doesn't matter what size. I don't plan on really buying these items. We're going to just get that pop-up saying we're approved. Fill out the small little application. They're going to send out their credit card, and then we're going to cancel the order. We don't really want to get the items, but if you want to get the items, then make sure you pick something you really want. Let's go ahead and click checkout. Now I want to go ahead and check out as a guest, so let's go ahead and click checkout again and guest checkout. Now you want to put your email address right here, and make sure it's the email address that's that you guys are going to put in our next step, which is the factor trust, which is the opting in. If you guys already know, make sure this email address is already with the credit bureaus. Make sure if you want to join their mailing list, go ahead and join their mailing list, but I'm going to take that off. Put your first and last name in, your zip code, your address with your city, state, and your phone number. And then use this address for billing. I just go ahead and keep it like that. And then standard shipping. So just keep it like that and click continue to payment. As soon as you click continue to payment, you're going to get a pop-up just like this saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the credit card with 40% off. Now, like all other shopping cart trick credit cards, what you're going to want to do is accept that offer. They're going to ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and they want you to read their agreement, and then they're going to send you that credit card. Now, this is just one of the credit cards you guys can get with the shopping cart trick. There's so many different credit cards you guys can actually apply for. But before you actually apply for this credit card, if you guys have not done the steps with the shopping cart trick yet, and this is your first time watching a video about the shopping cart trick, I want you guys to go to Factor Trust and opt in. Now, this is just a small credit bureau, and we have so many credit bureaus out there, you guys. This is a small credit bureau. When you guys put your information into this website, what they're going to do is they're going to send your information out to all the credit card companies saying, hey, this person is looking to get credit cards and offers. So mail them some offers. So you're going to get a lot of offers in the mail. So let's go ahead and click submit. Now, you're going to get a lot of offers in the mail, but then you're going to be allowed to get those pop-ups that I'm telling you guys about, kind of like the one I just showed you. You're going to be able to get those pop-ups, which is perfect because that's what you want. So let's go ahead and put your first and last name in, your social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and your email address. Now, when you put this information in, they should already, sometimes if you have like a payday loan or sometimes some certain car dealerships, they'll already have you in their system. So I tell people still try the shopping cart trick right away. But if the shopping cart trick don't work for you, or say if you try to get one of them credit cards, that's basically a shopping cart trick. And it's not working for you, wait 5 to 7 days. And I just tell people, try every day. It takes less than 5 minutes. Just keep trying and trying and trying. So many people said that they tried and they finally got it to work after a while. You just have to be patient. Now, this is just one of the websites. The next website I want you guys to do is the opt-out pre-screen. So you guys, when you do this website, it's exactly like the Factor Trust. Everything is the same. You're going to get so many offers in the mail. And when you guys get them offers in the mail, it's going to be for so many different credit cards. If you want to get those credit cards, they pre-approve you for them. You can go ahead and apply for them. But if you do the offers in the mail, you're going to get a hard inquiry. So let me let you know that. But go ahead and click continue. I want you guys to put your first and last name in, your social security number again, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and put your telephone number in. And then also go ahead and put your security code in. That's here. You're going to have your own security code, but go ahead and put that information in. Now, when you guys are doing a shopping cart trick, like I said, try right away. Like once I show you this video, try to see if it's going to work for you. I also tell you guys to right click here, the 3 dots here, and do an incognito window. An incognito window makes it so that they don't have your browsing history. They don't know who you are. This is the best way to do it. But I'm still able to get the shopping cart trick to work without even doing an incognito window. But still, you guys may want to try it. And then also go to your settings on your computer and click allow pop-ups. I'm going to make sure I link that video, you guys, so that you guys can see all the way through from beginning to end how to do the shopping cart trick, because there's other credit cards with the Visa that you guys can do. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Even though I just have my little one, like I'm making this video now, I kind of hear him whining. I got to go breastfeed him. I can still answer you guys in the comments. So definitely go ahead and leave me a comment. If this worked for you, definitely let you know I work for you. And also thank you to the person that actually left a comment about this. They got approved for this one, Express, other credit cards. So definitely, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.